Hi all, today we will discuss this pattern. If you see this pattern here, see the numbers are in the sequence from 1 to 10, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so in the first row, if you observe 4 elements are there, in the second row 3 elements are there, in the third row 2 elements are there, and in the fourth row 1 element is there. Okay, so totally there are 4 number of rows. So we have to take from I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, and we have to, so the number of elements in the each row, if you observe, in the first row 4 elements it is printing, in the second row third elements, right? 4 3 2 1, right? So the number of elements printing in the each row are decreasing row by row, right? That's why we have to write j is equal to n, j greater than or equal to I, j minus minus we have to write. Okay, we'll see how to write the program. Okay, I am writing package statement, package com dot ychl dot com. Okay, after that I am writing class. Okay, public class pattern. Okay, after that I am writing main method. Okay, inside main method I am creating scanner object. Okay, scanner class object to enter input from the keyboard. Okay, okay, after that I am writing I am doing control shift O to import the class name. After that, so I have to ask the user to print how many rows. Okay, how many rows you want in this pattern. Okay, after that, whatever the number they are entering from the keyboard, we are storing it in a variable n. So I'm taking variable n and storing the keyboard entered value in n variable. Okay, after that we have to print the output. So here is your pattern. Here is your pattern I am printing. Okay, so after that I am taking one outer for loop for the each row. Okay, for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. And after that I'm taking one inner for loop to print the elements in the each row. So one outer for loop for the each row and one inner for loop to print the elements in the each row. See, the elements in the each row are in the number of elements in the each row are in the decreasing order. Here 4 number of elements, 3 number of elements, 2 and 1, right? So that's why I am taking for loop int j is equal to n, j greater than or equal to I, j minus minus I am taking as the elements are number of elements printing are in the decreasing order in the each row. Okay, and I'm printing sorry I'm printing see, first of all, I am taking one variable int num equal to 1. Okay, before starting the loop, I am taking one number int num equal to 1. I am declaring one variable. Okay, after that, I am printing that variable first time, and every time I am, after printing first time, I am incrementing by 1 each time. Okay, okay, so after this, after printing this, it has to come to next line, and after that I am printing scanner class object to avoid any resource leaks. Okay, this is how we have to write the program. See, now we'll see how it will print. So number of rows in this pattern, how many number of rows are there? 4 number of rows, right? So I'm printing 4. Okay, okay, these are coming line by line, right? Okay, okay, after the for loop I am writing println statement. Okay, I am printing space between the each elements. Suppose 4 I am entering. Okay, these elements are coming. System.print, right? J is equal to n, j greater than or equal to I, j minus minus, right? Okay, so where it is missing, j greater than or equal to I only, right? Say for I equal to 1, what will happen? 1 less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 4. Okay, so j is equal to 4, 4 greater than or equal to 1. Okay, j greater than or equal to, an outer for loop, and here if you see, we don't want these braces. Okay, one extra braces is there. Okay, you check now, 4 number of rows. See, this is how it is printed, right? This is what we wanted. 1 2 3 6 7 8 9 10. This is how. So it's very simple. See, this is what we want, right? See here, you are trying to print this pattern, right? It's a pattern 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, same, right? So this is how we have to write the program to print this pattern. Okay, so what will happen, we will see now the execution. See, first of all I am taking, it's okay, num equal to 1, it's already there, num equal to 1. Okay, so for I equal to 1, I am taking I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to, total number of rows only 4, that's why I am taking n as 4. Okay, as 4, and after that, what is the value of j? J equal to 4, right? J is equal to n, so 4, n, j greater than or equal to I means 4 greater than or equal to 1. Okay, this is true, right? True. So first of all, it will print num means 1, right? print num as 1. Okay, after that num plus plus, right? So num equal to 2 it will become. Okay, and after that j is equal j minus minus, right? Now j equal to 3, j minus 1, j will become 3. So 3 greater than or equal to 1. This is true. All right, so it will print num value, right? What is the num? It is 2. Print 2, and num will become 3. Okay, now j is equal to 2. Okay, 2 greater than or equal to 1, true. Okay, now so it is printing 3. Okay, and num value will become 4 because num plus plus is there. After printing num value, we are having num plus plus, right? That's why. Okay, first of all I am keeping all these statements in the comments. Okay, so now j equal to 3. If the j equal to 3, now j minus minus, right? So j will become 1. So now 1 greater than or equal to 1. This is true, right? So it will print, what is the num value? It will print 4, right? 4, and num value will become increment by 1, right? So num value will be 5. Okay, now value will become 5, and now what will happen? J value will increment by 1, right? So 1 minus 1, 0, right? J will become 0 here. J is equal to 0, comma 0 greater than or equal to 1. This is false, right? So it will go to next row. Okay, it will go to next row. Okay, what is the num value in the next row? Num value is already 5, right? So num value is 5. Now num value became 5, and I equal to now 2, right? Now value is 2 now, and 2 less than or equal to 4. This is for second row. Okay, so now what will happen? J is equal to n, right? J is equal to 4. So 4 greater than or equal to 1, true, right? So it will print num value as 4, num value as 5 first, and it will increment by 1, and num equal to, it will become 6, right? And after that j will become 3. Okay, 3 greater than or equal to 1, true, right? No, 3 see here, j greater than or equal to I, right? J 4 greater than or equal to 2, 3 greater than or equal to 2 here, true. So it will print num value before as 6, and now num value will become 7. Okay, now j will become 2. Okay, so 2 greater than or equal to 2, it's true, right? So it will print, what is the num value? 7, and it num plus plus it will become, so num is equal to 8 it will become. Okay, so after that j value will become 1 greater than or equal to 2. This is true or false? False. So it will come to next line. next line or next row. Okay, okay. So in the first row, if you see like that, it will print 1 2 3 4. Okay, and it will go to next line. In the second line, in the second row, it will print 5 6 7. Okay, like that. For I equal to 3 and I equal to 4 also, it will print 8 9 and 10. Okay, like this. Okay. This is how we have to write the program to print this pattern. Hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.